Ciao, I'm Chiara from Perfiloesegno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful Queen Cactus. For this project I used some skeins of acrylic yarn from Mondial, number 7 or 4.5 millimeters hook, so I use green for the body, light purple and pink for the flowers, and yellow for the crown. I will use a fairy yarn cocoa also from Mondial, safety eyes, like this, and the stuffing, and a straw basket. Now we are going to make a rectangle with a single crochet, so we will start with chain 30. Now we're done chain 30 and we will start row 1. So do one single crochet in the back loop of the second chain and do this all the way along the row. Okay, now we've finished the first row. We simply turn our work and begin chain 1. And now we do one single crochet in back loop in each stitch of the previous row. Okay, now chain 1 and turn your work, and we do this 38 more times. Now we have finished 40 rows and we fold our work and sew the two ends together using single crochet. And now we close the upper part with a tapestry needle. So cut the yarn and use the needle to go in and out all the way around. Now you should be able to pull on this hand. And now we have finished the body of the cactus and we can move on to the flowers. So first we will do the little flowers. You can choose any color you like. I chosen a light purple. First you do a magic ring and then 6 single crochet inside the circle. So pull the tail and finally do a slip stitch in the initial single crochet to close the round. And now we will start of our first petal. In the first single crochet do 2 chains, then 2 double crochet, then 2 more chain, and finally a slip stitch to complete the petal. So we do this 5 more times, 1 in each single crochet, until we have 6 pretty petals. Now we have finished the first flower. You can choose how many flowers to make. I will do 3, 2 in light purple like this, and 1 in pink. So now we can move to create the crown. We will start with chain 22. And now do a V-stitch in the third chain from hook. V-stitch is 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now skip 2 chains and work a V-stitch again, 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, then 1 double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, and in the third a V-stitch again, and we do this until the end of this row. Do 1 double crochet in the last chain. Now we are finished the first row, so we will do chain 3 and turn your work. And now we will do this sequence in each V-stitch. Work 2 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then a picot to make a picot chain 2 and slip stitch into the first chain, and then 2 half double crochet more. Okay, now we move into the second V-stitch. Repeat again together, 2 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then 1 picot, 2 chain and slip stitch into the first chain, and 2 half double crochet more. And we repeat this in each V-stitch of the previous row. And now 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So cut the yarn and now sew the 2 ends together. Now let's take our green cactus again, and before we insert the safety eyes we need to stuff the cactus so we can understand where and how exactly we have to insert the eyes. Now put the cactus on the top of your basket and insert the eyes. Remember, if you want to give a kawaii style, the eyes must be placed low and spaced. So now stop the eyes with its ring. And now we are ready to complete sewing the upper and the lower part. Close with a slip knot and weave our yarn. Okay, now let's glue the flowers. I will use a hot glue, and I glue the flowers like this. So now we finish the crown with 2 rounds of cocoa yarn all around, always with hot glue. You can embellish even more with beads or whatever you like. And now use the furry yarn cocoa around the neck. The Queen Cactus is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, so let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!